Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Steam application load error quickly and easily. First, close Steam completely if it's running. Next, go to your Steam installation folder, usually C:\program files, x86, \steam. Find a file named steam.exe and right-click it. Select Run as administrator. This often fixes permission-related issues causing the error. If that doesn't work, try deleting the app cache folder inside the Steam folder. This will reset Steam's cache and can resolve corrupted files causing the problem. Another step is to verify your game files if the error happens when launching a specific game. Open Steam, go to your library, right-click the game, select Properties, then Local Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Finally, make sure your Steam client is updated to the latest version. Restart your PC after trying these steps and try launching Steam again. That's it. These steps should fix the Steam application load error. If this helped, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.